Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. You can see a lot of time has passed since the last video. I actually lost a video. My recording software and I had a minor disagreement over what record and don't record means. But you can see there's been a lot of changes around the base. We did some building, just laid this out. I'm not going to put iron bars all the way around. I'm not sure what I'm going to fill in the gaps there with, but the front and back will be iron bars. I've started trying to level this off a bit. I'm not quite sure if I'm just going to bring the stairs down so I can, just ride a bike in. But basically this is what I did. We did go up to the Northern Trader, the one that's way up the curvy road up there, up here somewhere. And we did a quest for them, but unfortunately I lost the video. I did spend a point in Grease Monkey so that we could make a bicycle. Sorry, a motorcycle. So I have all the parts in here. And we're going to get that crafting. Get that started while I put away the building stuff. That doesn't go in there. And I'll continue working on the building stuff overnight. I'm not gonna take a full episode. I am still burning iron because I do need some more iron bars. Can I make 10? I need 10 for the front, and then I'll have to figure out how many I need for the back, but I'm just gonna let this keep burning down. I'm gonna grab some food and drink to stick in the motorcycle. What do I have a lot of? This is why I want to get a garden going, because I need to be able to make some stews and things. Not what I wanted to do. How much does that need? It needs more. Or that should be enough. So we'll let that cook. 30 seconds left on that. Don't think I was making anything in there. So what I want to do is go to, we picked up the next quest for opening the trade routes. So that trader is almost 3 kilometers away, so I want to head over there once we get the bicycle done. And let me grab a couple of these to take and put in the bike. I will stick the looting candy and the jailbreakers in there. Hackers I don't need to put in there because I'll just take them when I'm ready to go out and actually harvest stuff. And I don't have any sugar butts, so do I have enough ammo? I think I'm good on ammo. Could use some more arrows though. I don't want to take a full stack because I do find some in loot. Not, well, that's plenty. Nope. So, there is our motorcycle. And I do need to grab some gas. Just take the 10,000 for now, that should be enough. I know this thing's supposed to be a gas hog, but I don't think it's going to go through 10,000 that quickly. So, let's see where this other trader is. Okay, how about show me on the map? Opening trade routes. Show on map. Okay, so that's... best way to do that is just follow that north road, and then hopefully that one will lead over to it. So let's put down the motorcycle. Make sure nothing's coming. Let's do this. So it holds 3,000, it looks like. So gas, food and drink, candies, and then I'm bringing the money, and I'm going to leave the repair kits in there to keep my inventory clear. So I need to go up here and take a right and then get on the main road. There we go. Oh, lag spike. That's nice, and you don't have the whiny little drone of the motorbike, so that's nice. Could probably go across country, but the bikes are not particularly good on the parts of the terrain that are really cracked and broken, so I think I'm probably just gonna follow the road up. And it is a long drive, but whee! And the next vehicle is the 4x4. And I don't think I've ever actually made it. I have heard a lot of people say that it's great as far as storage size, but it's not faster and it's not as maneuverable as like the motorcycle, and obviously can't fly like the gyrocopter. So I'm not sure if I will make that one, but there's our little spawn area. Excuse me, Nursey. It's just so much faster on the motorcycle. And there's supposedly some way you can not burn through gas as quickly, but I'm not quite sure what the little shortcut thing is, so it does go through the gas really quickly. It's already 13% down and I'm only like 1.5 kilometers from home. Whee! It's very sensitive on the turns too. So this is the little Great Lakes area, as I keep calling it, that's got a whole bunch of little lakes all over the place. It's kind of pretty. But let's see. No, I think I want to go up to the next one. Just zoom past all the zombies and ignore them. I need to actually mark the trader in this town. I think they're over this way. I have a quest for them, but I have not done it yet. I want to mark the trader as I come through, just so I know when I'm coming back and forth where it is. So let's do that real quick. And then let's follow this road. Nope, it's not this road, it's the big road over there I want to follow. And hopefully this will take us to the next trader, which hopefully is nowhere near a wasteland. I might stop and take some cars apart on the way though. Get some more gas. If I get more engines and things, that would be nice too, because then I can, you know, set up a generator bank and a battery bank. But I can grab the cars on the way back through. So let's just get over here to the trader and see what's over here. So it is another town. See what's around. Jump along. Okay, there's a factory, the oil company. I don't know what that one is, but Buzz's Bar. So it looks like there's a lot of stuff up here. And then this area looks like the residential stuff. I know there's a lot of books in that house over there. We might loot it before we go. And then traders just down here. Across from a really big house, and there's more stuff up on the hill over there. Don't know what that is up on the hill over there, but looks like a decent little town. So let's go see Trader and see what they've got. Do you have any sugar butts? You do. Oh, left the money in the car again. Let's grab that. The wrench isn't really worth spending a repair kit on to sell it. But I do want the sugar butts and the eye candy. Covert cat sneak damage. Alright, let's loot everything in here before we go talk to the trader. Have they changed this trader? So I don't remember all that being there. Maybe I just ignored it. Chem station. Destroyed one. And another wrench. And let's check the forge. And the gas barrel had nothing, but the forge has an anvil and some iron, which is good because I needed a second anvil for my forges at home. It's a working concrete mixer, but I have one at home, so let's go see what Trader Rect has. Okay. Let's just sell those things. All that can go in the bike. Let's see what he's got. I'm not even sure what I need right now. I will actually take the sand because I need that for making cement. I will take the oil shale for making gas. He's got more steel, but it's so expensive. What's in your secret stash? I'll take that. Batter up. Bats and clubs degrade slower. Robotic turret schematic. Now that I wouldn't mind. So let's get that. Really, I think that's all he's got that I need. We'll grab a job from him. Rect, you are so rude. Alright, let's see what jobs he has. So I am... South would be right down here, which might be close to that one, which means maybe there's another town there. North, south, East. That might be in the town where the other trader is. But let's just take the south one. Is it close to that one? Yes, those two are close together. So we might head down there and see if we can get at least one of the raids done. Excuse me. So, I wonder if that road's going to go down there. Well, we'll see. See if this little dirt track goes down there. That's a big old house up there. Let's see what's out here. Seeing lots of residential stuff over there, but not anything I'm desperate to raid right now. I swear I'm gonna start muzzling my dogs before I start recording. I don't know what's out there, but whatever it is, it ticked them off to no end. There's some iron. What is that place? Is that just a burnt out cafe? Okay. Starting to see some of the POIs that I've never seen before, and apparently run into some coal. Earls. I keep forgetting to hold the... Would you stop with that, please? Okay, seriously? My mouse is being weird too. It's not... Okay. It's not responding quite right, but we should be able to make it to our quest. I am gonna stop and grab this car though. I'll take that stuff. Got a crawler. Excuse me, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna follow this road and see if it... Looks like it leads right into the town, so... Seems like a big town. So, looks like a barn. Alright. Barn has some crops and stuff in it. I can get them later. Is this going to be a triple or a quad? Yep. Let's grab the car. So we've got a working stiff, tools, and toilets to go, and king law. Now I know I've rated the working stiff side of one of these before. I'm not sure if I've gone through the whole thing or not. Let's stick some stuff in the bike. I don't need the yucca seeds. I'll refill later. I will take a looting candy with me just in case. And I'll have to do some sorting, obviously, to figure out what all I am going to take with me and what I'm not. I may break down the pipes and springs because I can make them. So let's see who comes out to greet us. Anybody hiding in here? No. I don't need the water from the toilets. I have plenty at home. So just grab stuff on the way through. Nope. I guess I head up the stairs. Who's coming from where? Oh, you're feral. Alrighty then. Got some honey in case I get infected. See what else is in here. Nothing that looks like. Nope. I don't need all the leather. Let's scrap that. I don't need that either. Trying to listen and make sure nobody's sneaking up behind me. Alright, let's get some stuff scrapped. I don't need the jars. I think that's everything here. Okay, so obviously there's somewhere down here I go out. Didn't want to do, yep, big light by the open window. Alright, buzzards? Yep. Do you have any brothers coming for me? I don't need feathers right now, so... Alright, let's see if we can do some sneaky headshots in here. Oh, that's gonna be a tough one. Well. Bad spider. Go away. Dang it. We'll use one of those to treat the abrasion. I hate spider zombies. Alright, who else is in here? I don't see anybody up there. Alright, let's start breaking into useless boxes. Toilets, toilets, toilets. I will grab the cement and cobble. And I think that's one of my arrows over there. Yes. washing machine. I will take that and scrap that because I can make that into duct tape. Construction site box. I'll keep the frame, scrap the brush. Some wood. A wall living. Don't need that. Again, I'm not quite sure what the path through here is, so taking it a little bit slow. Looks like a big hole in the wall over there. Do I go through that and go up? Nope, it's closed off. Okay, so do I have to parkour my way up to the roof or just dip back down the stairs? Why is there a hatch there? There is a crate in there. A wrench and some tool parts. I'm not gonna go out of there to explore, but let's go down. Vending machine is broken. Nice lot of ammo. I'll take this apart for the steel. See what's in the cabinet. Let's scrap that, throw the jars. I'll keep the splints for now. Hopefully I don't break my leg anytime soon, but let's see what's over in the office. Is that a way out? I'll take that. I've got plenty of rotting flesh for now. So if I can see anybody in here to, I can't get a headshot. There we go. Well, woke somebody up. I am not gonna loot every one of these toilets. I don't need the water. So I'll just check the sinks and stuff like that. Okay. I'll scrap that. I'll repair those to sell. Don't need the coffee, don't need that, and don't need the cooking pot. Alright, so I guess that's this part. Starting to run into more ferals in the POIs now. So that's fun. Bellows, steel sledgehammer parts and tool parts. toilet. Don't need a toilet. Alright, I may have to run back out to the bike and drop some stuff off. Or make a chest and drop some stuff off. Alright, let's see. Iron fire axe, the claw hammer I will keep for now. I'm gonna have to sort out what I do and don't need. Can I get close enough to that to... I saw it for a second there. Yeah, we'll just do this then. Alright, so it looks like I need to get up there. So let's do this. Make sure I'm loaded, because it looks like we're headed up. Which probably means I'm gonna find some nasties up here. Alright, I'm gonna have to sort some stuff out here. Don't need that. We'll drink a water, and then I'm gonna toss them and keep the yucca juice. I want to keep the bellows for the second forge that I have. I'll keep one of those to sell, because if I repair it, it should be a decent price. I don't really need the vitamins right now, but we'll see. At least I'm getting plenty more iron that I can put in the forge. Coffee maker? Oh, no coffee. Alright. Anybody hiding in the bathroom? No? That's a lot of bones for glue and stuff. Ooh, I knew they were going to be in here and they still scared me. Military armor parts. I don't need that. Shoes. Not really. Scrap that. Anything behind there? Don't need that. I will take those. This person had a lot of shoes. I do want the dye out of that. Let's see, what do I have that doesn't have dye? Anything? Well, sure, why not? A bright pink jacket ought to do just fine. Honey, and that. And I think I'm gonna have to go make a chest. Let's make a couple of chests, and I will just pillar my way back up there. But I'm gonna have to drop some of this stuff off before I go up to the roof, because that should be where the big loot is. And I'll grab all the stuff out of the bike and combine the two. Yeah, that should be good. Let's see. The money can stay in there along with the sugar butts. I don't need the jars. Alright. Let's get this stuff dropped off. We'll go finish up the rooftop and then we'll go through it again. And hopefully, oh, there's a wandering horde. Let's go say hi. I could use the experience. Oh, she lost her head. Just the two big guys to deal with. Let's go. Alright. Now we can pillar our way back up. And get up to the roof. Now, hopefully the roof isn't too bad for me. I know there's going to be vultures somewhere. Alright. I did not want to fall down there. Okay, so this is the ceiling of that one. And there's going to be a lot of tiles that break over here. Alright, I see a light over there. And over there. Run, 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 run. Alright, through to here. There's going to be some bad guys in here, but hopefully not too bad. Is that all of it? Nothing in the cardboard boxes. Tech junkie. Power attacks, charge stun batons. I don't need stun batons, so thanks, but no thanks. Okay, so where do I go from here? Up the stairs. And out. Any vultures coming at me? Right, so there's the treasure over there. And I want to see if anybody is still out there guarding it. Yep. anybody else? Yeah, there's somebody. A couple of somebodies. And I see a feathery fluff over there. Let's see if I can get lucky. Nope. I can't shoot past those. Might just have to do the spray and pray. Alright, got him. Wonder if I can kind of cheese it and get a better shot. Oh, nope, vulture coming. Come back here. Don't know where he went, but... Alright, anybody else over here? No. Hi, doggy. Just to get you out of the way. Alright. I will put on the looting goggles. I don't think I'm going to use a looting candy. I've seen mixed reviews about whether they do or don't help, so scrap those. Scrap that. Shamway. I'll drink the water. I don't need the beer. Structural brace. Another AK. Iron arrow. Not bad. I'll get my arrow back. Can I have my arrow? And I don't know where the other one went. But... Okay, so now I need to get down without breaking a leg or blowing myself up on a landmine. So let's scooch over here. Is there something I can land on? It is kind of over that way. So I want to get the cement from back here. Oh. Hitboxes suck. Any more over here? Doesn't look like it. Alright, let's run around and drop all this stuff in the chest. And then I get to do that again. It is a clear, a fetch and clear, so I can't just cheese it and go in and get the loot. I think I'm gonna leave that here. I don't need the lock picks. And I don't think I need the knife. I might rearrange this hotbar a little bit. Alright, so to keep the video from being too long, I think I'm going to pause it while I run through here and I'll bring you back when I get to the main loot. Alright, I'm on my way up to the roof to get the bigger loot up here and finish off whatever zombies are up here. Not worth it. As you can see, I've found a little bit of loot in the boxes downstairs. I'm trying to keep the stuff that either I can use for crafting or that is worth a bit for selling. And the rest of it, I'm just kind of letting it go, either scrapping it or throwing it out. I've had a few ferals, nothing too bad. Speaking of ferals, I think he's a feral. Alright, let's see what he dropped. Dog days are over. I'll hold on to it. Cardboard boxes don't usually have anything I need. take that if I have room. More bullets. Gotten a lot of bullets out of this, so that'll be good for the next horde night. Nothing up there. Oil. Let's go ahead and read that for some room. Anything else I can get rid of? I can take the vitamin. Alright, let's see what's up here. I'm gonna see if I can see that vulture from up here to give it a shot in the head. Let's take the dog first. Alright, got him. I also found a book downstairs that was, like, use no stamina when sneak sprinting. Oh, I missed him. Really? How is that going through his head? Come here, buddy. Don't wake everybody else up, please. Alright, he's down. I've just got these guys. Alright, that is everything cleared. See if I can get some arrows back. Can I have my arrows, please? Alright, so let's switch to looting goggles and see what we get. Nice pallet ammo. Gun store box. Baseball bat. We'll have to see how that compares with the steel club. Lockpicks and steel tool parts, and I am completely full. I did find a tier 5 iron shovel, and since the steel shovel kind of goes through my stamina really quick, I did switch to it. I think I have plenty of paper at home. I don't need 4 cloth. So let's see what's in the big chest. Rifle parts, ammo, nuggets, barbed wire mod. I don't think I have room for all of it, but I do. Okay, so now I have to get back down without breaking a leg. There we go. Grab the cement. Not that I have room for anything, but let's check the car. You know what? I can stick one of those in there and take that and scrap that. So let's get back around front and see what we can load up in the bike. And if I can do it quick enough, I can drop stuff back off at the trader. So let's see. I want to put the stuff in there that I don't want to sell. I don't really need the blood bags. Rifle parts. I do want to keep military armor parts. Those can be sold. Those can be sold. Okay, let me take that. Steel spare parts can be sold. Steel tool parts I will keep. iPod mod. Switch. all of these are sellables. Repair that. See what else I can fit in. I want that. That's for selling. I don't really need more headlights. Let's see what I can get in. I don't need the leather. I don't need the headlights. I want the bones. So much stuff. What is taking so long? Cancel those. I want the bellows and the anvil. I don't need those. I'll take the money and put it on me. Scrap those. The steel armor parts I will keep. Scrap those. What can I repair to get rid of some repair kits? No room in queue. Okay, which mod is that? Lowers degradation. Well, let's stick that on there. I don't really need it right now. Actually, let's see if one of my tools can use it. Let's stick it on that one. And recog, eye candy. I don't need the blood bags. Let's repair the AK. I want the gunpowder. Alright, I think that's good enough for now. The rest of this, although I hate to leave the eye candy behind, but what I can do is that and take the blood bags. So let's head to the trader, which is over that way. Although I do have another quest down here, but it's for a trader closer to home, so I want to try and make it to this trader, get that quest turned in, and then I'm kind of going cross country, which may or may not bite me in the butt. Hopefully the terrain isn't too bad. But if I can hit that trader, then I can run home and drop that stuff off. Oh, that's a big old hill. Can you make it up the hill? Apparently not. Really? Oh, come on. Do-de-do-de-do, big old bike, and it struggles with a tiny little dip in the ground. Come on. Alright. Cross country may not have been my best choice. We shall see. Please don't get stuck. Alright. Oh, this terrain is horrible. Let's get out on the flat area over here. Try and dodge some trees. And get over here to Trady. Ugh. Still having my morning coffee. Alright. And because I have quite a lot of stuff to sell, I am going to go ahead and use one of the sugar butts. Which I think is in here. Let's use one of those. And go in here and see what the trader has. But your quest reward is going to have to wait a second. I have a backup AK at home. That's actually a better pickaxe. So let's, he's not interested in the wrench. Steel sledgehammer parts, the engine I'm keeping. Steel shovel you can have. I'll keep the better claw hammer. I've got boots and stuff. Steel spear parts. Money. I got a better robotic sledge, so that's why I'm selling that one. No, I don't want to sell that one. I want to modify that. And put those on that one. Because that one is slightly better. Hunting knife, I already have one. Iron gloves. Customized fittings mod. I have tier 6 stuff, so I can fit more mods in, so I'm actually gonna take that mod. I have hammers at home, so I think that's everything I wanted to sell. Actually, I can sell those. The recog I will keep. He didn't want the wrench, so sold quite a lot of stuff. Tempted to get the ammo for Horde Night, but cooling mesh, improved fittings. I think I'd already looked through and I don't think he had anything I needed. Blade traps, they break down so quick, and with the Horde base the way I have it set up, I don't think it's worth getting them. And then I think this is all the stuff I sold him. Double check his secret stash, yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything I need, but let's see. Rude. We'll grab that one. I'm not gonna go do it now. Rally point. Which one do I want? Well, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna head home first anyway. My inventory is full as can be. So, just want to go back down this way and take the main road to the next town. Let's turn around. Alright, and while I head home and drop all this stuff off, I'm going to go ahead and leave this episode here. Overnight, I'm going to work some more on the wall around the base, get some more resources. I'm getting low on iron because of all the iron bars I'm making, and start, melting down some lead and brass and things like that for making bullets, and just start getting ready for the next Horde Night, because it is only a couple of days away. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions can be left down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. Hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.